In this video, we are going to learn about tuple. In the last video, I created a module within lib.rs file, but this time I wish to create a module within main.rs. Let me create a part 5 module within the file main.rs, and within that create a function tuple demo. Tuple is a primary data type in Rust. A tuple is a finite heterogeneous sequence of data. In simple, tuple is a group of single or multiple data type elements. We can access tuple elements by its sequence number. The tuple syntax is group of values within bracket. Here I create tuple. Let tup equal to within bracket 500, 6.4 and 1. This tuple has 3 elements with 2 data types, I32 and F64. All are grouped together. We can destructure tuple like in JavaScript. Here I destruct tuple tub into 3 variables x, y, z. We can access each of it individually. Let us use part 5 module in main function and call the tuple demo function inside main. Now run the project. Each individual variables are printed. There is a special syntax in tuple is called unit tuple. It's simply a brackets without elements. We can access tuple elements using its position. See here I printed unit tuple and tuple elements using its position. We can have nested tuples also. Here I create tuple of tuples. And you can access nested tuples like accessing nested array. Here I print tuple's second element, that is -5. And while destructuring, we can eliminate elements and get only recurred elements like this. Here I extract only second tuple's second element and omit the others. Thank you.